So then there will be no point protecting it if you have a duplicate copy that is unprotected and you have another copy that is protected, all saved in the same folder. It's useless. So always remember to save it for the first time with a protection. So with this, move straight to your file and choose protect document dialog box shown here. That's the protect document button. This is only available in the most recent Microsoft Office Word, like say from 2010 upward to 2019 versions. So click on this option. It will ask you, do you want to encrypt it with password or mark it as final? If you want to mark it as final, this is partial protection. It will only sell it. People can read this document, but they cannot alter anything in it. But if you want to lock it with a password, just as we did previously, you click on encrypt with password. Restrict editing. When you do this, nobody can edit this document except you, and it will be sealed with a password too. Restrict access. No one can have access to it. If you want that, you can do that. Or add a digital signature. Whatever you want is possible. Let's try the very first one. I really don't think we need to try this one because mark as final is as simple as that. It will only have a sale, and it has just done that. And that's not what I want to do. I will have to go to encrypted password. That's the maximum security we're talking about here, and click on it. Type the password. Simply type the password repeatedly, and you are done. It's as fast as that. Nothing else. Nothing else, bro. So I've protected it, and then did I save it with a name? So go back to your save button, then search for the name of the document, the folder you want to save it into. Open a folder and then click on my classified document, and I can go back to my document and search for it. This is it. Documents. Sorry, this is not it. Go straight to your documents and you see the one called my classified document. This document has been opened before, so let's close it and reopen it again. Yes, it's no longer open to all. See that we need to provide a valid password. That is what we just did to gain access to it. And that's just it. It's as simple as that to protect a document. So what next? You have learned how to protect a document. The remaining ones here that you can see, like protect your document with restrict editing, restrict access, you can try that one at your own convenient time. There's nothing special to that. Just assign a password and click on avoid people reading this, or editing this, and that's all. There's nothing so special to spend our time on it. Then we have to go back to our environment. I don't want to work on any of these passworded documents, so I have to delete them from my system. I don't need it. So you go straight to where they are, and they are all been deleted. So go back to your Microsoft Office Word, and let's work on tables. That's the second we have for our class. Working on tables. For example, you have a headline saying the names of students in JSS 3A. Say this is to be at the center of the page, and I want it to be very big, as big as this. That's cool. For me, I'll press enter after clicking beside here. You just press once, enter. To insert a table here, you go to insert button. Remember, we have been on the home button here, so click on insert button. We have about 4 different ways of inserting a table on a document. we are going to test all of them. The first one we have here is this. You click on the Add Table button. Click on it, then select how many boxes you want. We call these boxes cells. How many horizontal cells you want and how many vertical cells. So we now call it how many horizontal columns. That's the horizontal cells are the columns, and then the vertical ones are the rows. How many columns and rows you want. I simply want just a column for the serial number, a column for their names, a column for their sex, and that's all for now. And I need 2, 3, 4 rows for 3 students. So let's type inside it. Click inside and then press serial number, names of students, and then we say their gender. On the first one I can type 1, second one I say Tina Okeke, female, second Kafo Juliet. So I have 3 names of students and I want to make this look nice and neat. Okay, so you have to hold this column line and contrast it. Click normal left click and push it down to the left to bring it closer so that it will be smaller. Or if you don't know how to do that, simply come to that column line and double click on it. Automatically it will push it to the left, balance it according to the size of the content of the cell. Then we have this one, double click to balance well, and this one, is it too big? Can double click to balance it well too. So here we have our table and the content inside is not well aligned. They are all scattered, so I have to come to the extreme edge of the table and click everything. Go straight to your home button and press justify. Oh my god, this is not responding. So select the text you have inside and click on justify. Yeah, it's responding now. To select the whole of this one by going at the extreme edge, just click once when your cursor is at edge like this, click on it and make it bold, and this is it. This is just one of our tables. We want to insert another table in a different way. So what do? You click outside of the space, then let's insert another table in a different way. Remember how we inserted this one? If you don't mind, we don't mind deleting this and inserting it once more. Delete, or I can just leave the space here and go to insert, click on table, choose how many boxes you want. The horizontal boxes are called the columns, and how many rows you want, then click, and after that you type into the cells whatever you want. So that's how I created this first table that you're seeing above there. If you want to delete the table that you have, click on this icon, the hold all cells icon, and press the delete, the backspace button. The backspace button on your keyboard. I said click on the hold all cells icon and press the backspace button on your keyboard. The backspace button is above the enter key on your keyboard. So next, we need to insert a table using a different strategy. Click on insert, go straight to table and come down to insert table. That one is easier. Click on insert table and then choose how many number of rows you want in this dialog box. Type whatever you want on this particular dialog box. I want a table of 3 columns and